Hello there. This is the Fried Man Mark Carter himself. And welcome back to the Fried Man's Crib. Alright, so we're going to do a house tour of the Carter's crib, alright? And when we first walk in to my house, my crib, we're immediately in Isaac's bedroom. And doubles as a living room, but it's primarily his bedroom. This is his space.
Oh.
Hey, booger butt.
Hello.
Do you want to give your bedroom a online tour?
Sure.
All right.
Right here is my closet. Inside I got a couple of shirts and pants. Down there's my baseball uniform.
Right.
I'm an LA Dodger. I play for Los Primos and Elkins.
Uh-huh.
There's a few drawers.
Oh, I see. So that's your closet/dresser combo.
Yep.
Very nice.
And over here, I have my useful desk. As you can see here, I can use it to play on, well, basically the same thing. Eat on, draw on, basically, yeah. Down there's the box. And now, above it is the place you seen earlier, my bed. I sleep on it, of course. I can sometimes eat on it, not eat, but drink on it if my dad lets me. Now this is the comfiest couch ever. I can sleep on it, and whenever I do sleep on it, I can watch movies.
Looks like you got a pretty good bedroom. Let's see here. We got rock and roll never dies. You got his patriotic American flag. We got the Carter boys.
Dad and me, your dad in one picture.
Right, that's our entertainment center fireplace thingy. He got his decorations all nice and good. Got his own size poster. This is a poster of me and my girl, and you'll see her more here in a minute. Let's see here. We come through here. What?
Nothing.
That's where I keep my valuables and my vape. Over here I've got the Joker, a mystery woman I used to say was my girlfriend, and Harley Quinn and her action figure. You seen that? The story of these I love. At first I only had the one canvas, and I was picking myself back up, picking up the pieces. I was broken, but I was getting stronger, and then I met this girl. Her name is Lori McDaniels, and then we fell in love, and so it's beautiful. All right, so all right, next up we'll go into the bathroom, and I'll show you what that's all about here. Of course, there's what I think about our president. All right, and yeah, shit happens, doesn't? Oh, good. You wanna show them a tour of the bathroom?
Oh, yeah, sure.
All right. Well, down here we keep the toilet paper, the plunger, toilet brush, which I have deemed Shithead. Yes, that's Shithead. That's where Donald Trump belongs, and shit happens. So, all right. And then over here we got our sink and
Our double mirrors.
Our double mirrors, yeah. I keep my shaver up here. Oh yeah, let me back up so I can get a good view. That's what the shower curtain looks like, yeah.
And the same thing looks like with that rug.
Alright. And then this is the bathtub. You can tell it's a kid's bathtub. Look at that beautiful.
Which you will find on the Super Isaac Show. Self-promotion. Check!
Alright. So, yeah, I'm in a handicap unit, so I got these bars, and that's a seat. And, so Isaac uses it as a desk and has fun playing in here, right? Alright, well, let's go ahead and check out the kitchen.
Dun, dun, dun. After you.
Alright. And the only thing I really don't like about my apartment is the fact that the light switch to turn on the kitchen, you have to walk through the kitchen to get to. But, yeah, it's our stove. Our bottle's up here. Well, my bottle's up there. And then, this is where a washer and dryer would go, but I don't have one. So that was the tour of the Fried Man's crib. I'm turning off all the lights now, so you can see this is how I normally am in my bedroom. Alright. And this is pretty much how it looks, you know, normally in here. Thanks for watching this tour of the Fried Man's crib. I am the Fried Man, Mark Harder himself.
And we'll see you next time. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment down in the comment section below, and make sure you ring the bell whenever you subscribe. Thanks a lot, guys, and I'll see you in the next video we have. Good.